Okay, 2010 Honda TRX420, I think it is. This gentleman is a regular customer of ours. He brought this down and said he left it at the hunting club. Well, the rats got hungry and they chewed the wires off, if you can see. And that is for the neutral and reverse lights and all that. So he says, I don't want to spend a ton of money in Honda. Can you help me? I need to get through the rest of hunting season. So we said we'll give her a shot. So there's the wiring harness that got chewed up. We found the right wire. We ran it directly to ground. Looked up the harness online. We ran that wire directly to ground at the battery. Now the neutral light stays on all the time when you're driving or whatever. It will start in any gear. And just have to leave the deal with the green light being on. So this gentleman just saved a bunch of money. So anyway, have a great day. Click subscribe if you like it. Give us your thumbs up or give us your opinions. Write some comments. Thank you for tuning in. Okay, a little of what we did. We got assortments of heat shrink. Of course, all these are heat shrink also. And what we did is we put heat shrink on the ends of all these wires and pinched them off, and then we're going to close this whole harness up. This one is the one we're going to join to ground. And then I've got one little tool here I wanted to show you. You can buy these off of Amazon. It's pretty dang awesome. When you squeeze this, and then it'll hold the thing for you. This is a great little tool. No, I'm not sponsored by them. What's the name? Titan. Anyhow, just thought it's a good tool. Worth the money. This is going to be our jumper wire. That's it. Take your cigarette lighter, heat that up, it'll shrink right up. Alright, let's tidy these wires up. I'm going to use a piece of protector here. See if we can feed this through here. We don't want these wires flopping around all over the place. I hope they're all going to fit. Nice and neat. And I am stuck on only 3M electrical tape. Way better than that aftermarket stuff, in my opinion. Nice for the guy, although he'll never see it. All it do is run the wires to the battery. All buttoned up and ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment if you like. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and click the bell so you get notifications when I post new ones. Have a great day, folks.